welcome to my live stream. As you can see, we're going to do some Budgies jerky, the reapion barbecue extra hot challenge today, and you're in for a treat because this one's going to burn. Would like somebody to watch beforehand. How you going, Freddie? Welcome. You're in for a treat. You're going to watch me spew and get the view. Okay. So, wait to get a couple of viewers. I'm not going to wait to get like hundreds and thousands, just a couple, more than 3. Hopefully Tony can get here because I want to ask him if I can chuck these on the pieces on a plate. But yeah. Hello, Robert. You made it. Bree, welcome. Yes, well, nervous, very nervous. That's my mood right now. Hello, Aaron. Oh, you mate. I'm going to have a couple of sips of this before I can't no more.
Is it Tony?
Fiona?
Is it Tony Burry?
Yeah, I tagged him in the actual post.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. How are you, Fiona? Here we go. I don't think I'm going to survive this. Yeah, it's okay. I'll wait a couple of minutes for Kylie, maybe, you know. But yeah, how you going, Daniel? Karina? Oh, this one's going to suck. But Mrs. over here seems to think that I've had hotter stuff than this jerky, and I'm like, I don't think so. I don't think so. No, we're not snoring anything today, Alan. This jerky alone is going to put the tears of God in me, if that's such a thing. Hey, I'm prepared. Yeah. Come on, Hector, get away from the bucket. There's no smelly eggs here today, man. He remembers this bucket from when I did the eggs, and he's all over it. Okay, so does anyone know if I can open this up and take out the 3 pieces to put on a plate so that my missus can read out the challenge requirements? Because I don't want to disqualify myself. Yeah, there might be another live afterwards where some of Cam's killer sauces, salty ghosts, goes up the nose, but probably not. But yeah, so yeah, I can. Sweet. Right, I'm gonna open it now. Put the 3 pieces on the plate, and then we're gonna listen to the sweet melody of my fiance's voice as she tells us the ingredients.
I actually sound like an old lady with emphysema at the moment because I'm sick.
She is sick. She's fully sick because Thorpe said she was fully sick. How you going, Tony? Okay, so there's 3 pieces. They're all
shit, they're big pieces.
They're all decent sized pieces. I will give you a look of the pieces that I've put.
Just look at the seeds and the...
If they're not acceptable pieces, I will swap them out, but I feel like they've got the goods on them. Okay, so are we good to go, Tony? Are those pieces acceptable? There's no salty ghost, Fred. I was only mucking, man. You're a bad man. This is the reapion barbecue challenge. So now I'm going to pass this packet to my partner. She's going to read out the challenge before I start, of course, because I'm going to have a couple of sips.
Okay, so Budgies challenge. You need to have 1 piece of Budgies reapion barbecue. Chew this piece for a minimum of 2 minutes. Once that piece is swallowed, wait out a 3-minute burn. No liquid, no food. After the 3 minutes, have another piece. Chew for a minimum of 2 minutes. Then have a 3-minute burn after swallowing again. Then after that 3 minutes, have 1 more piece. Chew for a minimum of 2 minutes. Then have a 5-minute burn to finish it off. Remember, no food or no drinking during the challenge.
No. And, of course, we've got the old reliable here. Check that out. Spews get the views bucket, because with me, anything's possible. And with that, we're going to get started. Oh, lucky I've been drinking the old double jacks over there. Okay, so let's get started with the first piece. Do I start the...
Yep, so put a piece in your mouth and chew it for a minimum of 2 minutes.
Go.
2 minutes starts now.
Instantly hot. Good flavour though.
Hector.
I love the flavour.
Come here.
Yeah, this one's instantly hot.
Come here. Malcolm.
Oh shit. This table's got a wobbly leg.
The dog's about to terrorise the cat. Malcolm.
Get on your bed, mate. Oh yeah, she's hot.
Malcolm, you're being annoying. Come on, now go.
I'm the first one. No, this is going down pear-shaped with these animals. This is an animal house.
They all want to be in your video.
This is a mad mouth burn, like instantly already.
Can you taste any barbecue?
If by barbecue you mean like the pits of hell and fire and brimstone, yes.
Alright, so let's read some ingredients. So there's beef, salt, spices, chili powder, reapion, chili garlic powder, onion powder, celery powder, sugar, molasses, black pepper, cayenne pepper, vinegar, tomato, natural smoke flavour. It's cured with salt, sugar, sodium nitrate.
Oh man.
There is an, I can't read that writing, that's really small, but there is...
Hiccups.
You got 30 seconds to go.
Got the hiccups.
Oh God, this ain't gonna end well, is it?
I don't think so. Woohoo! This one's hot.
That's only your first piece. You gotta burn it out.
That's okay. Hang on, Paul. Oh.
Right, that's your chew time.
Look. Okay, I just swallowed that last bit.
Now you need your 3-minute burn time.
Holy. Yeah. She's warm. She's
There's
warm.
an extra hot jerky disclaimer on here. I can't really read it because of the small writing, but it says, due to the extreme nature of this jerky, please read the following disclaimer. I agree as indicated by my opening this bag as follows in connection with any purchase of this product. 1. Due to the extreme hot nature of this product shall be used as a food additive.
The cat. This cat is fucked. Oh.
This product can cause serious injury if directly consumed, ingested, or applied to the body. Oh shit. Due to the extreme hot nature of this product shall be used with extreme care in small amounts only. And 3, this product is to be used at my own risk, and I am fully understand the potential danger if used or handled improperly. I can't read it.
I understand, and I fully take responsibility.
The writing's really small, and the lighting's shit. Number 4, if I give this product as a gift, I will make the recipient fully aware of the potential danger if used or handled improperly. Number 5, I hereby disclaim, release and relinquish any and all claims, actions and lawsuits that I or any of my dependents, heirs, family members or legal representatives may have against any party relating to any damage or injury that may result or is alleged to have resulted from the use, consumption, ingestion, contact or other use of or from this product.
Just message Tony Burridge, Alicia. He's the man that makes this stuff. He can hook you up.
You got the sweats.
I got the tears. I got the sweats. I'm all good though.
Are you ready for your next piece?
When the alarm goes off.
Yeah, you've got 40 seconds.
Oh yeah. The first one's okay. It's going to be the combination of the second one that gets me.
Because it's just going to keep burning.
Yeah. Ooh. It always does end bad with me. That's why we're the home spews get the views, because it always ends badly for us.
Oh, sorry, I didn't eat any, I swear.
Well, I always do well when I'm the first at a challenge.
Ready? 5,
Oh,
4,
look out.
3, 2, 1. Level up. Level up. Now,
Number 2.
this is your 2 minutes. Chew time.
Oh my God. The hottest jerky known to man, Daniel.
You were actually quite nervous about this.
I still am.
You've been quite nervous about it all day.
I have. My team. This is evil
Come here.
without the thing.
Come up here. Come on.
Oh,
Up here. Hector.
thanks, Aaron.
Here, John. Come on.
It's like a fiery continuation of the first one. Like it didn't even
Still
stop.
chewing?
Yeah,
You got 1 minute.
I'm trying to talk, but it's still in there.
You're drooling.
Oh. Where am I from? Adelaide. But I think you know that.
Adelaide.
Oh. Yeah, the last one's a big one. I saved the biggest for last. You know, I like to do things by halves. Go! That's my bourbon for when I finish.
You need to.
Oh, hang on, Cherie.
As soon as there's something new, these bloody animals get so fascinated. No, you can't go this way. You will trip the cord.
Oh,
You ready? You have 15 seconds to keep chewing. Last 15 seconds.
oh my God. It's all mouth and sort of just the throat. And yeah, my eyes are fucking sobbing uncontrollably.
Okay. Ready for your burn now?
Almost.
Follow it.
Oh. The burn's all in the head, like in the mouth, which is good. I think I can handle that. But yeah,
I couldn't.
look at the tears, they're rolling. Good work, South Auckland, in the house. Oh. This is hot. I don't know if it's the hottest thing I've done yet, but this third piece might tip it up there. How you going, Tom? Uncle Mungo, the man. Oh, I can't read comments anymore. The eyes are all watery.
Get up here. Now. Get up here now. On your bed. Go on.
Yeah, the heat's like picking up now. Like, it's actually pretty intense. Oh. Whew. She's a hot one.
You're only just approaching halfway of your 3-minute burn.
Whew. God damn.
And you got to do 5 minutes at the end.
Yeah, that's going to be the killer.
You're going to have to start telling some jokes or something.
I don't think I'm going to be able to talk. I'm almost at that point where I can't talk now. Yeah. It's a tough challenge, I'll give you that. But you, Adrian, you're a beast. I think you'll probably take this one. Oh. Cam, you'll do alright, mate. Oh. God damn.
I'll have to Google some dad jokes.
Are you going to tell the dad jokes? Because I don't know if I can.
Well, today my son asked, can I have a bookmark? And I burst into tears. 11 years old and he still doesn't know my name's Brian.
That's a good one. Oh, God.
I reckon you're going to get a gut burn. Got 30 seconds.
More snotty. Snotty don't.
I've been snotty all week. It's not corona.
Oh. Oh.
20 seconds. That's a big piece.
Oh, I don't know if I'm going to get.
Out of your three.
I don't know if I'm going to get through it, eh? That burn was intense.
Give it a go.
I am. Of course I am.
You got this. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, here we go.
Now chew. 2 minutes. Just take your time.
Oh.
That's what kills, I reckon, that 2 minutes chewing it. Gotta let it sit in your mouth.
It's the afterburn. While it's squished around in your mouth, you're okay.
Yeah?
Oh.
I'm dying in the background, sorry.
Oh man, I'm dying on the camera. Oh.
Oh shit. It's a bloody chest infection.
Holy fuck balls.
I brought some shoes from a drug dealer and I don't know what he laced them with, but I was tripping all day.
I'm gonna stop. I gotta stop.
Really?
Mm. Oh.
You can't do it?
Can't do it. That's fucking intense. Oh. Holy shit balls. I don't know how I got through that long. But that burn. That last piece. Oh.
You're done.
I'm done, guys. Holy shit. That was epic.
Good effort. Good effort.
Oh.
I can just see the colour of it. Like it just...
Oh my god, like this drink isn't even doing it any justice. Because there's no sugar in this cola, so...
Probably have to wash your hands. I got you some ice cream and milk.
Oh, I think I'm going to need some milk for this one.
Yeah.
Got to snort some milk. Oh. Could I get you to get the milk?
So there we go, guys.
Budgie, that's an epic challenge. Once I get this burn under control,
Good luck to
I'll do
anybody
some talking.
that can do that.
Oh, there's a couple of people watching that I know will be able to do this. They got higher tolerances than mine.
And Daniel.
Oh man, yeah, I tapped out. That was epic. Oh, thank you, babe. Thank you very much. Oh, once I get this burn under control, I'll talk you through some stuff. Oh shit, yeah.
Should have had this ready.
Oh, right. So, Budgies jerky. He deals in this stuff from mild to super extreme. So there's something for everybody. All flavours. And everything tastes delicious. I've tasted a couple of flavours now. This guy's like a jerky genius. I reckon I'm going to drink this whole full cream, long life milk.
That'll just make me sick. A gut full of milk.
Thanks, Tony. Sorry I couldn't finish it.